Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix blurry or unclear text on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If text looks fuzzy, blurry, or difficult to read, these steps may help fix the problem. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your computer. From the left side, click on System. Then select Display. Make sure the scale option is set to the recommended value. Also make sure the display resolution is set to the recommended resolution. Using the recommended settings helps Windows display text more clearly. Next, open the Start menu and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it. Make sure Smooth edges of screen fonts is checked. Then click Apply and OK. If the problem is still there, open the Start menu again and search for Adjust ClearType text. Open it and make sure Turn on ClearType is enabled. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. On each page, choose the text sample that looks the clearest to you. Once you finish the setup, Windows will apply the best text settings for your display. Now check if the text on your laptop is clear again. So this is how you can fix blurry text on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.